The Judicial Conduct Tribunal that's probing sexual harassment allegations against Eastern Cape top Judge Selby Mbenenge will continue today, with evidence from gender researcher Lisa Vetten expected. In the last sitting, the tribunal ruled that Vetten should be allowed to testify before this landmark probe, which is looking into a complaint by Judges Secretary Andiswa Mengo, who alleges that she was harassed by this judge president. Watching developments for us is SABC News senior reporter Canny Maphanga, who joins us now live from Sandton. And Kenny, of course, there's no telling what Lisa Vetten will say, but I imagine issues around power imbalances, even within the workplace, are likely to feature quite prominently.
Absolutely. Good morning to you, Ayanda, and to the viewers at home. The evidence leader in this landmark probe, that is Advocate Salome Skeepers, is expected to call her last witness in to basically delve into those complex issues surrounding sexual harassment in the workplace. That is Lisa Vetten. She's quite a well-known researcher that has worked for many years, many decades, looking into violence against women. This includes the complex subject of sexual harassment in the workplace. We have heard from the complainant in this matter, that is Andiswa Mengo, that there were a number of power imbalances in play. We know that this is a judge president of the Eastern Cape Division of the High Court, and if she, of course, was a judge's secretary in that same division of the High Court, and she has explained why she felt compelled to respond to the alleged advances from the top judge. She has also stated that she felt that in some instances where the tribunal felt confused by her reaction to the alleged advances that she charges before the tribunal are unwanted, that she felt compelled to respond in a particular manner that has created a confusing lens for the tribunal as well as the public that are looking into this very serious landmark probe that could have serious implications for the judge president should he be found guilty of gross misconduct. So it is Lisa Vetten's job today to basically go into the nuances of sexual harassment in the workplace and to go into quite great details to why a victim may choose to respond in a particular manner when confronted by this type of violence from an alleged perpetrator. So she'll give out those details. She'll go through a very concise report which looks at this complex issue and then, of course, give that rounded up evidence. We know that the Mbenenge's counsel, had objected to this evidence being brought to the tribunal, questioning its relevance before the landmark probe. But we know that the tribunal has ruled that it is in the best interest of this landmark probe to allow this evidence to continue, to avoid a situation where if they don't allow it and then they later learn after compiling their reports that this kind of evidence would have been crucial to determining this very sensitive issue of alleged sexual harassment in the workplace. So we expect that the hearing will begin at 10 a.m. this morning, and Lisa Vetten will begin with her reports. When she completes her evidence and subsequent cross-examination, we expect that the evidence leader, Advocate Salome Skeepers, will then close her case. Then we can expect the judge president to take the stand and give his version of events, which will be followed by two witnesses that he is expected to call. That includes, we understand it to be an official, and then, of course, his own experts that will look into the electronic communications between Andiswa Mengo and the judge president. Remember, this is a complaint where Andiswa Mengo is alleging she was allegedly sexually harassed by the judge president during the period of June 2021 to November 2022 via in-person interactions and electronic communication. So we expect that hearing to begin at 10 a.m. this morning.